Hello traders, I hope all are fine and having a great time in their lives. Okay, let's start. We have today Euro USD. We will do a short analysis and we will look at the price levels and we will look for opportunities in coming week. Okay, let's start. Excuse me. First we have a level of support right under the fresh price, which has the price just touched freshly, and the second one we have a very strong resistance area. I will mark like that. Alright, we have a moving average, the price is up, and we have a 200 EMA moving average, which indicates us the trend, the price direction. Most important thing that we should follow the price direction. Always follow the price direction. Never ever we will trade against the trend. We have a moving average and the price is up the moving average, which means the price is going north and we will follow the price. If you see, the price is making higher highs and price broke this level, this support level, and closed down. That was obvious and everybody knew that the price will go furthermore down till here. I knew also, but I did not make a sell trade here. Why? Because I have a one rule which I followed strictly, that we will trade only in the direction of the price. Alright, now we have a support area. Now we will see what it makes for us, like that. I think that's right. Okay, we have one more sign, what you call a signal, that we have a trend line also. The price is on the trend line, on the support area, and above the moving average. That means we can go for buy. And one more thing, we will make our another indicator, which is Fibonacci. Very useful tool and very helpful tool and very profitable tool. It's a predicted I call it a leading indicator. It predicts the price. All right, we have a lot of evidence that price is going back up. Yes, first we have a support area, we have a vertical trend line, it will act as a support, moving average price is up, and Fibonacci 50 level, the price has just closed above 50 level. Second, we have a doji, a very beautiful candle, and sellers are getting weaker and weaker and weaker. Now there is a lots of buyers, and on a Monday the price will open, maybe it touch back down this area, eventually it will go up and close above. Definitely on Monday, opening the market after 1 or 2 hours, if I see a price is a little bit down or till here, I will buy on the open of the market. Yes, and my stop loss would be under this area, 38.2 Fibonacci level. I will put my stop loss 70 pips down here, and then I will hold this till this area, 165 pips, which will be a very good trade, and this is a very good opportunity. If price does not, buyers cannot take the price up, it can go, yes, it can go definitely, but there is a high chance that price is going to reverse from here and it will go till here, 163 pips. Yeah, that's the analysis for today, and please comment, like and share if you find this video useful. Thank you.